Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Becoming Proactive with Soumya Garwal. So we have discussed till factors affecting BPA success and now we are going to start with benefits of automating business processes. But before that, let me show you something. So these are the questions that are given after this chapter is ended. Okay. So here, just let us just read out the question number 2. BPA is a tactic a business uses to automate processes to operate effectively and efficiently. Explain the parameters that should be met to conclude that success of any business process automation has been achieved. तो इसका ये मतलब है कि बीपीए एक टेक्टिक है जो मतलब यूज़ होता है, बिजनेस यूज़ करता है टू ऑटोमेट देयर प्रोसेसेस, ऑटोमेट efficiently to operate their business processes and to operate in effective and efficiently manner. Okay, and you have to explain the parameters that should be met to conclude that success of any business process automation has been achieved. मतलब वो parameters बताने हैं जिससे कि आपको ये पता लगता है कि जो ऑटोमेशन आप कर रहे हो वो अचीव हो गई है, ठीक है, या वो पैरामीटर्स बताने जिसकी बेसिस पे आपको ये लगेगा अचीव हो गई है. तो इसमें आपको क्या लिखना है, इसमें आपको बेनिफिट्स लिखना है या फिर इसमें आपको लिखना है फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द सक्सेस ऑफ बीपीए. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द सक्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशन. Okay, so please read the question very carefully. Here they are not asking you the success of any business process automation or the benefits of business process automation. No, they are asking you the parameters that should be met to conclude, right? So please थोड़ा संभल कर अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर कीजिएगा. Now let's come to the second question or the third question basically. Through automation, a business organization intends to increase the accuracy of its information transport and certifies the repeatability of the value-added task performed by the automation of business. So being a management consultant, identify major benefits that would help in organization to achieve its objectives. अब इन्होंने क्या किया, ऑटोमेशन के थ्रू बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ऐसा लगता है दैट दे आर एबल टू increase accuracy of its information transferred and certifies the repeatability of the value added. So being a management consultant, you have to identify the major benefits which you can get from automation. Okay, which you can get from automation. So here you have to write about the benefits of business process automation. So let's just start with business process automation benefits. So for this I have a memory technique. Okay, I have a memory technique and that memory technique is really vague, but still we can learn EIS with these vague memory techniques. So we are cutie. We are cutie. Okay, everyone is cute. So we are cutie. We are cutie pie. Okay. So what is the meaning of V? V stands for visibility. R stands for reduced cost. Q stands for quality and consistency. T stands for time saving. I stands for increased efficiency. Okay, and here R is actually Q. It's VRQ. Okay, but Q is silent. VRQ QTI. So there are 3 R's. First R stands for reduced turnaround times. Second R stands for reduced cost. Third R stands for reliability. Okay, so VR QT by QT. Okay, QT. Basically QT. Okay, so VR QT. Okay, fine. So you can use this memory technique if you're not able to learn the points, but these points are really simple, so you can learn it without memory technique also if you want. So VRQT. VRQT. V stands for visibility. So automated processes are controlled and they consistently operate accurately within the defined timeline. It gives visibility of the process status to the organization. So see, whenever you order something from Zomato or Swiggy, so what happens? You just go you just means go to that particular app and you just start tracing that where the delivery boy is, what is the status of our food. Do you do that? At least I do this. Okay, so what is happening? How is it happening? It is happening because Swiggy or Zomato has done business process automation, and because they have applied the technology in their business processes, I am able to trace everything. So what I am able to, everything is visible to me. So this is only visibility. So automated processes are controlled and they consistently operate accurately within the defined timeline, and it gives visibility of the process status, that what is the status of the process. Okay, I don't think that I need to explain this in Hindi. I'm using just simple English, right? So it should be understood to you. And if it is still not, then you can let me know. I will make a separate part in Hindi, but I am using maximum English in less Hindi so that everyone can understand, because you have to write the answer in Hindi, English only. Okay, so please try to learn English also. Fine. So V stands for visibility. That means whether the results are operating accurately or not, you can check it because you have the visibility. आपको पूरा process visible है. You are able to see, you are able to trace everything. So in that way, you are able to judge that whether everything is in proper control or not. Then second was your R. Okay, VR. So R, there were 3 R's. R cube. Okay, so first R stands for reduced turnaround times. Reduced turnaround times. Turnaround times क्या होता है? Like supposed to pick raw material from a particular place to the factory. Before automation was applied, what was happening? Everything was done manually. Okay, but after automation is applied, what has happened? After automation has applied, now they have started using machines for that particular thing. So they have automated. Okay, so you have to eliminate unnecessary tasks and realign process steps to optimize the flow of information. Like what will happen is, suppose there is a factory. Okay, there is a factory. Will I able to draw? Yes, I will be able to draw. This is a factory. Let's not just waste time in making a triangle. Okay, we will make a triangle also. Okay, I'm not able to make a proper. Okay, this is the factory. Okay, and here is the raw material. Here the production is done. Right, here the production is being done. Here the production is being done. Fine. And here the raw material is kept. Now what happened now? What happened that the raw material here required was finished. Okay, the raw material which was required in factory was finished, but the raw material is here and the factory is here, and there is a lot of distance. There's a distance of at least 2 kilometers, I can say. ओके 2 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है, रॉ मटेरियल खत्म हो गया है, रॉ मटेरियल हमारे यहाँ रखा है. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? They have to wait for the raw material to arrive, and there is nothing automated. There was no communication between the two, the raw material department and the production department, and they have to wait. So what has happened? This waiting time is unnecessary. Okay, but uski jagah, if we have applied automation, so what will happen? When they will feel that their raw material is just going to finish, they will fatafat inform to the raw material department, and the time they will finish with their production, the next raw material will be available to them. So in that way, with the help of automation, what happened that they were able to work efficiently and they were able to reduce unnecessary wastage of time. Okay, so you have to eliminate unnecessary tasks and realign process steps to optimize the flow of information through the production, service, billing and collection. So this adjustment of processes distills operational performance and reduces the turnaround time for both staff and external customers. Okay, we have take a lot of time in this. Let's just wind up with this topic. So the next R stands for reduced cost. So when your manual tasks are reduced, more and more things are performed with the help of machine, your cost is also reduced. Okay, then the third R stands for reliability. So governance and reliability. Now we have already discussed with the example of McD that the taste or the you can say burger, the size of burger, everything is standardized. Okay, wherever you will go to McD, you will find the same atmosphere, the same taste. Okay, so your products, the processes, the services which are produced are reliable. This is because of automation. So the consistency of automated process means stakeholders can rely on business process to operate and offer reliable services. Okay, then उसके बाद में Q. So the Q means quality and consistency. So because the products, the actions are performed identically, so it helps in resulting in high quality. Then T for time saving, it helps to reduce a number of manual tasks. It helps to reduce number of tasks employees would otherwise need to do manually, and that time that was wasted in doing manually the things manually. What has happened is the time is free with the employees, and they can use that time in adding value to the organization. Okay, then I stands for improved operational efficiency. So efficiency is also improved because the efforts are reduced and the quality has enhanced. So in that way, it has helped to improve the operational efficiency. So these were the benefits of business process automation. So we will discuss with the which process should be automated and the challenges in business process automation in the next part. Okay, I'm making this video a bit shorter because of some technical glitches which I am facing. Okay, I guess it's grudges. I'm using the wrong word. Really sorry. So if you got benefited out of my videos, then please do consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I've uploaded a lot of helpful videos to all, and really sorry if you felt that I've wasted some time. You can just speed up with the video speed. Okay, so I'm ending this video here, and we will continue with the remaining topics from the next part. So thank you guys.